5 genius kitchen gadgets that save space in small apartments. If your kitchen always feels cramped and cluttered, you're not alone. The good news is that a few smart gadgets can completely transform how your kitchen works. Today, we're looking at 5 genius kitchen gadgets that save space, reduce mess, and make cooking much easier. Be sure to stay until the end because the last gadget is one of the most useful for any small kitchen. Welcome back. If you enjoy practical gadgets that solve everyday problems, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Our first gadget is the under-cabinet paper towel holder. Paper towel rolls may seem small, but they take up valuable counter space. This simple holder mounts underneath your cabinet, keeping the paper towels within easy reach while freeing up your countertop. It's quick to install using adhesive strips or screws, and once it's in place, your kitchen instantly feels cleaner and more organized. Next is the magnetic refrigerator spice rack. Instead of filling your cabinets with spice jars, use the empty side of your refrigerator. This magnetic rack creates extra storage without drilling holes or adding shelves. Your spices stay organized, easy to access, and your cabinets suddenly have much more room for larger kitchen items. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Our third gadget is the collapsible silicone colander. Traditional colanders are bulky and difficult to store, especially in small kitchens. A collapsible silicone colander folds almost completely flat, allowing you to slide it into a drawer or store it between cutting boards. Even though it folds down, it's durable, heat-resistant, and perfect for draining pasta, vegetables, and fruit. It's one of those gadgets you'll appreciate every single time you put it away. Now let's talk about stackable, airtight food storage containers. A cluttered pantry wastes both food and space. These stackable containers let you maximize vertical storage while keeping your ingredients fresh for longer. Because they're transparent, you can quickly find what you need without searching through bags and boxes. An organized pantry not only looks better, but also makes cooking and grocery shopping much easier. Finally, we have the compact mini food processor. If you've always wanted a food processor but didn't have enough storage space, this compact version is the perfect solution. It chops vegetables, makes sauces, blends ingredients, and handles everyday meal prep while taking up only a fraction of the space of a traditional food processor. For anyone with a small kitchen, it's easily one of the smartest investments you can make. So, which of these space-saving gadgets is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart gadgets, clever home solutions, and practical product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.